question number 13. Question number 13 of your textbook. Okay, ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट सम बोला जाता है. Why difficult? Because here so many calculations है. Okay, because some of the amount is given and some we have to find out. अब सम किया होगी सॉल्व. अभी तक हमने क्या किया कि भाई कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट, कैपिटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. ओके, व्हाटएवर परसेंटेज इज गिवन वी आर कैलकुलेटेड. अब ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिफर है. कैसे? कुछ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ऑलरेडी पेड है एंड रिमेनिंग वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, ऐसे टाइप के. अभी तक इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग ऐसी वाली एंट्री कभी भी ट्रायल बैलेंस में नहीं दी हुई थी. बट इन दिस सम दैट एंट्रीज आर गिवन इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस ऑल्सो. सो while doing the calculation, most important is regarding the posting. अच्छा, whatever the items given in the trial balance regarding interest on capital, interest on drawing, okay, that all are the part of profit and loss appropriation account. Once again I am repeating, जो भी ट्रायल बैलेंस में दिया हुआ है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल के, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग के जो भी है, दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ. ये किसका है, मतलब इसकी पोस्टिंग कहाँ करनी है? वो पोस्टिंग करनी है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन में. ओके, जो भी क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा. और व्हाटएवर द डिफरेंस इज कमिंग, जो डिफरेंस आएगा, मतलब सपोज 1000 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है, 800 पेड है, 200 बाकी है, तो व्हाटएवर द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट, ये सब की एंट्री आएगी करंट अकाउंट. इज इट क्लियर? वंस अगेन, ये जो भी ट्रायल बैलेंस में दिया हुआ है दैट इज इन द इनर कॉलम ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. व्हाटएवर द रिमेनिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड इट इन टोटल आउटर कॉलम, and that remaining one we are going to do the entry in the current account. Okay, now first of all I am reading the question and then tick marking adjustment and then I am moving forward. Okay, Harsha and Shaya are the partners, their final trial balance is given. Now adjustment, provide 5% interest on capital and 6% interest on drawing and 10% opening balance of current account. So tick mark on drawings, current account, capital. See, drawings is given, current account balance of Harsha is debit balance and Chaya is credit balance, and capital account is given. Okay, then 10% depreciation on machine, so tick mark on machine. Monthly salary of Chaya is 500, so tick mark on salary of Chaya. See, it is given in the trial balance, salary of Chaya. Okay, then total of sales book is under cost by 600. It's an item for trading account, so here we are going to prepare revised trading account. Because trading account balance is given, so that will be our gross profit. So we have to find out revised gross profit. Then 1700 is to be transferred to general reserve. Circle over there because that this adjustment is for that entry is not given in the total balance. That we have to do the direct entry. Okay. Now posting. Pay attention. Here the posting is most important. Okay. First of all, I am taking the credit side. Capital of Harsha and Chaya is given. See, as I prepared current account, I had not prepared capital account. So posting of capital will be directly done in the balance sheet. Here capital, okay, Harsha and Chaya. Okay, Harsha and Chaya 20 and 30,000. Other column 50,000. Then current account of Chaya credit side. So here my balance brought down. Current account of Chaya is given, so in Chaya's column 4,000. Then interest on drawing is given. See, interest on drawing is given in trial balance. Okay, just now I said whenever the interest on drawing, interest on capital, whatever they given in the trial balance, its effect will be in profit and loss appropriation account inner column. By interest on drawings. Okay, Harsha and Chaya 150 is given. Okay, 150 is given. What is the remaining will be there, that we are going to add it. Then loan of Harsha. Okay, it's an entire adjustment. Loan of Harsha is 10,000. This we will do it afterwards. Okay, this I am keeping, and loan rate is 110/16. Okay, then rent, it's an income, so we will credit by rent, that is 12,000. Then creditors, liability, 5,000. Then trading account balance is given by balance brought down. Trading account balance 24,700. Then bank balance is given on credit side. See here what bank balance is given, and given it is on the credit side, so it is a liability and bank overdraft. In bracket I am writing OE overdraft 5450. Then interest on current account of Harsha is given. So just now I said in trial balance item will come in P&L appropriation account by interest on current account of Harsha, that is 100. Whatever the remaining that we are going to write it, and suspense account is given. Okay, so there will be one entry regarding 300 in the adjustment. Okay, so it will have nullified effect. Okay, then now on debit side, drawings are given. 5,000 and 10,000. Then current account of Harsha is debit balance, so 2 balance brought down of Harsha. I am writing here 6,000. Okay. Now interest on capital, it's an P&L approval item. Interest on capital Harsha and Chai, whatever is given that you write down in a column, 700 and 1,000. Okay. Then after machine is given and adjustment is there, so we are going to write down in a column. Interest on loan. See here interest on loan only what is given. This is nothing else but it's a loan of Harsha. Okay, it's in P&L amount. So I am writing in a column 2 interest on loan of Harsha, and amount I am going to write down in a column, that is 200, and whatever remaining will be added. Then salary 13,000 is given. It's also P&L account to salary. Adjustment here is also a written adjustment. 13,000 is given. Okay, and in bracket it is written okay monthly 1,000. Okay, so monthly 1,000 for yearly it will come 12,000, because 1,000 into 12 will be 12,000. So we have to record only 12,000. Okay, so outer column item is 12,000. So here 1,000 is prepaid minus prepaid. Okay, so now its second effect on asset side. Okay, now the next item, that is salary of Chaya. Now salary to salary Chaya 5,400 is given. Whatever the remaining will be going to add and going to outer column. Okay, debtors are given 15,000. Then receivable rent here only. Asset item 2,000. Then bad debt. See here no adjustment regarding bad debt is or anything. So just this item I am going to write off P&L debit side direct outer column. Liquidity is there, so I am writing outer column only. is given 2000. Now see here adjustment in bracket it is written out of the insurance premium of 1200 is for the year ending on 36/17. Okay, 1200 ends on 36/17. Okay, and our year is ending on 31/3/17. Our year ends on 31/3/17 and here insurance premium ends on 36/17. So it's an advance paid now. Okay, advance paid of 3 months. Okay, here March is completed. So remaining April, May and June. So here 3 months prepaid. Here 3 months prepaid. Okay, so that we have to minus. But first of all we have to calculate what is the amount of 3 months. Okay, 1200 was for the full year. Okay, so for 3 months, so 1200 into 3 divided by 12 will be 300. See, this 1200 is given only for the calculation purpose. There is no posting regarding this 1200. इसकी कोई posting नहीं है, ये सिर्फ calculation करने के लिए दिया हुआ है. Okay, 1200 that is for the full year. Okay, तो हमको ये 3 months का prepaid है वो हमको check करना है. Okay, so 3 months का होगा that comes to 300 वो हमको minus करना है. Okay, so here minus prepaid 300 outer column 1700 and second effect asset side prepaid insurance 300. Okay, once again I am reading 1200 ends on 36/17. Okay, that is ending on 30 June. Our year ends on 31st March. Okay, so March we are not calculating because it's a last day. So now remaining months April, May and June. So it's a 3 months. 3 months prepaid here advance paid. Okay, so 1200 here it is given in the bracket. 1200 into 3 divided by 12 comes to 300. This 300 we have to deduct from the insurance premium. Okay, that is our prepaid. So prepaid insurance 300 out of 1700 and second effect here asset side prepaid insurance 300. Okay. Now interest on loan. One more adjustment, hidden adjustment. So loan of Harsha is starting on 1/10/16. Okay. You can stop the video and take the screenshot of the calculation because I am not having so much space. So I am coming and doing it. Okay. See here loan is of 10,000 and date is given. It's a partner's loan. So partner is entitled to get 6% interest. Here is 10,000. Its 6% interest comes to 600. Okay, but date is given 1/10/16. So 1/10/16 to 31st/3/17 comes 6 months. So into 6 divided by 12, you will get 300. So 300 interest Harsha is going to get. But here already Harsha is getting 200. Already get. Okay, already Harsha is given 200. From 300, 200 already उसको मिल चुका है. So remaining total is 300. Okay. See, whatever the calculation amount is coming, all the calculation amount you have to write down out of it. ये सारी जो भी हम calculation करेंगे, interest on capital, interest on drawing, interest on current account, whatever the calculation is coming, that you have to write down out of it. And difference that you have to write down in a column. Okay. Here answer is coming 300, so I written out of 300. 200 is already given, so remaining amount is 100. So only 100. And second effect of this 100 is only to be done. समझ में आया? जो भी calculation आया that is outer column. Okay, difference is coming. Second effect of difference is to be done. Here outstanding interest on loan remaining 100 only. We have to write down outstanding interest on loan. Okay, of Harsha that is 100. Second effect of difference amount is to be done. ये बात याद रखिएगा इन क्वेश्चन के अंदर. Okay. अच्छा. Then afterwards we are having another no hidden adjustment. Okay. Now regular adjustment. Provide 5% interest on capital. Okay. Here the capital is 20,000 and 30,000. 20 20,000 5% and 30,000 5%. Here comes to 1,000. Here comes to 1,500. Okay, 20,000 का 5%, 1,000, 30,000 का 5%, 1,500. Okay, this amount we have to write down outer column. तो interest on capital है. So for Harsha 1,000 and for Chaya 1,500. See, बोला हमने whatever the answer is coming that you have to write down outer column. Okay, now we are going to find out the difference. Difference कितना है? See, 700 is already paid. Remaining is 300 and from 1,500 1,000 is already paid. So remaining amount is 500. समझ में आया? First of all 1,000 and 1,500 written outer column. 700 already paid. Remaining 300 because 1,000 बनाना है तो 700 है तो उसमें से from 1,000 700 deducted. 300 remaining. In the same way 1,500 1,000 deducted. Remaining 500. Now second effect of interest on capital. Okay, here P&L partners current account, interest on capital. Second effect of only difference amount. Second effect of only difference amount. Difference is what? 300 and 500. Okay. Now 6% interest on drawing. Now drawing of Harsha, that is 5,000 and for Chaya it is 10,000. But with the drawing date is given. Date of Harsha of drawing that is 1/10/16 and date of drawing of Chaya is 1/1/17. Okay. Below that write down our year ending date. Here will be 31st 3/70 and here will be 31st 3/17. Okay, दोनों के नीचे एंडिंग डेट लिखी. Here the gap of 6 months because 1st October it is starting. So October, November, December, January, February, March. So here is 6 months and here it is 1/1/17. That is 1st January. So here interest is for 3 months. That is January, February, and March. Okay, months calculated here. Now rate of interest that is 6%. So 5,000 into 6% coming 300. Okay, and here also 6% is coming 600. Okay, but here months are given. Here we have to calculate for 6 months. So into 6 divided by 12 that is 150 and here for 3 months so into 3 divided by 12 this one is also 150. Okay, once again see I am repeating. 5,000 drawing is there. It's 6% coming 300. Okay, and here interest of drawing is calculated for 6 months. So it is coming 150 and here drawing is 10,000. It's 6% come to 600. Okay, but here we have to calculate for the 3 months. So it is coming 150. Both interest and drawing is coming 150. Just now I said whatever the answer is coming that you have to write down outer column. Both is 150. Okay, now we are going to find out the difference amount. See, from 150 100 is already paid to Harsha. Okay, so sorry, paid by Harsha. So 50 is remaining and here 50 is paid by Chaya. So remaining is 100. Got it? बोथ दोनों 150 आ रहे हैं. हर्षा ने कितना पेड किया है 100, बाकी कितना है 550 एंड छाया इज पेड 550. So remaining is 100. Okay, and now this difference amount second effect will be given here to interest on drawings. Okay, that is 50 and here will be 100. Okay, now the next 10% interest, 10% on opening balance of current account. Opening balance of current account. Okay, I am having this calculation. Harsha and Chaya. Okay, Harsha is having debit balance 6,000, DR 6,000, and Chaya is having credit balance 4,000. Okay, now both 10%. Here is coming 600. Here 10% is coming 400. Okay, now interest on current account. See, interest on current account of Harsha is given, okay, but is there any word regarding Chaya? No, Chaya's total interest is remaining. अच्छा, Harsha total is coming 600, okay, so I'm writing 600 outer column. अभी मैंने बोला whatever the amount is coming you have to write down outer column, okay, 600 is coming, that I have written outer column. Now 100 is already paid, so remaining is 500. This 500 second effect is to be given. Now opposite side, okay, to interest on current account. किसका है ये? हर्षा, ओके, तो इन हर्षा कॉलम आई एम writing 400, ओके. नाउ फॉर छाया, छाया का कहीं पे है ही नहीं, सो डायरेक्टली राइटिंग, ओके, टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन करंट अकाउंट. छाया 0 है तो प्लस 400, ओके, कोई पेड नहीं है तो प्लस 400. So full 400 entry is to be done over here by interest on current account of Chaya, that is 400. See, I did 0. Okay, क्यों 0? ताकि तुम लोग मिस्टेक ना करो. Okay, कुछ नहीं है. So totally paid करना है. So second effect बोला मैंने. Okay. अच्छा. Then afterwards, second adjustment 10% depreciation on machinery. Minus 10% debris comes to 4,000. Outer column 36,000. So second effect, P&L debit to debris on machine, that is 4,000. Okay. Now next, monthly salary of Chaya is 500. Okay. Now partner's salary. See, monthly salary of Chaya is 500. So yearly will be monthly 500. Okay, Chaya salary monthly 500. So for 12 months it will be 6,000. Okay, so this amount you have to write down outer column. See, I did an outer column 6,000. Okay, now what is the remaining amount? From the 6,000, 5,500 is already paid. So remaining 500 only. Its second effect is to be done by salary Chaya 500. Is it clear? See, Chaya is going to get 500 salary per month. So 500 into 12 that comes to 6,000. I get a 6,000 outer column. From the salary, total 6,000, 5,500 is already paid. So remaining only 500 and is to be done. So plus 500. Okay, and second effect of 500 is to be done. Now next one, total of sales book is undercast by 300. Okay, sales is coming over here, so by sales undercast, already at the starting only I said कि 300 की एक सिंगल इफेक्ट आएगी because we are having suspense account. हो गया 300 की सिंगल इफेक्ट, दोनों नलिफाई हो गए. वो ट्रायल बैलेंस का 300 और यहाँ पे सिंगल इफेक्ट 300. ओके, देन आफ्टर 1700 इज ट्रांसफर टू जनरल रिजर्व, दैट वी हैव टू ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम एप्रो टू जनरल रिजर्व 1700. Now its second effect, balance sheet general reserve, that is 1700. Okay, now the calculation work is remaining. Posting is completed, hidden adjustments also are completed. Okay, now totaling here is 25,000 to GP, 25,000 by GP, 25,000 plus 12,000, that is 37,000. Okay, 37,000. All the item I am deducting. $17,700. This is our NP, net profit, that is transfer over here. by net profit. Okay, by net profit 17,700 plus 150 plus 150 plus 600. Here is 18,600. Now divisible profit minus 1,000 minus 1,500 minus 6,000 minus 400 minus 7. That is coming 8,000. Here P&L ratio is not given, so we are taking as equally to divisible profit. Harsha and Chaya both will get for 4,000. Okay, by divisible profit 4,000. Whatever will be there to balance carry forward. अच्छा देखना पड़ेगा दोनों साइड because it's a current account. Okay, see from here I can judge कि भाई this side amount is more. Okay, 4,000 plus 500 plus 400 plus 500 plus 4,000. Here is coming 9,400. So here the total is only 9,400, and here the total is 10,100. This side total is more. Okay, that side total is more. So that we will deduct. I am not having enough space, so I am writing over here. Here we will buy balance carried forward from 10,100. This amount is deducted. 700 is balance carried forward. Okay, carried forward of Chaya. That will be on asset side. Current account of Chaya, that is 700. Okay, now of Harsha it will be difference will be on debit side. No, here also difference will be on credit side only, because here is also the total is more. Here 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 50 plus 500. Here is 11,550. 11,550, and here was 10,100. 11,550 minus 300 minus 4,000. 7250. 7250. This is the balance carried forward of Harsha. Here only current account Harsha, that is 7250. Now total in the balance sheet 50,000 plus 1,700 plus 10,000 plus 100 plus 5,000 plus 5450. Here is 72,250. Now asset side 36,000 plus 700 plus 15,000 plus 2,000 plus 7250 plus 1,000 plus 10,000 plus 300. Here also 72,000